Okay, dear students, until now we have finished two chapters in Eamcet mathematics, 1A, 1B. Now we will see 2A. 2A, first chapter, complex numbers. Okay, this question is asked in Eamcet 2019. See, first question what they have asked: I square plus I cube plus dash 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 up to I to the power of 4000 is equal to the value of this we have to find. See here, I they have not given. That you keep in your mind, and 1 0 I minus I, like that they have given answers. So you have to keep the answers accordingly. Okay, see, this question is asked in Eamcet 2019, and let us try to solve this. See how I am proceeding. See, first of all, you see this is a series. Is it a arithmetic series or geometric series, or arithmetic progression or geometric progression, like that you have to see. I is not there. After I square, I cube has come. Okay. See, anything arithmetic means plus plus plus, like that it should be. But here I into I square into I cube into I to the power of 4, like that it is going. That means this is a geometric series, not arithmetic series. Okay. See, if it is a geometric series, then what is the formula? Okay. See, I need not write steps. So this is a geometric series. Please note. Okay. See, for geometric series, the formula of sum of the terms is equal to a into, okay, 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r, or a into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. See, according to situation you have to see. If r is greater than 1, you take r minus 1. If r is less than 1, you take 1 minus r, like that. Okay. Okay. See, let us proceed. First of all, you find R, A and all you find. See, by seeing this series, here first term, A is I square. Write down. A is equal to I square. First term. Then what about R? R is equal to second term divided by first term. I cube by I square, that is equal to I. Okay? I cube divided by I square is equal to I. I is normally less than 1, that is why we will take 1 minus r formula. Okay, 1 minus r. This formula we will take. Okay. See, we have to find r power n also, but what is n? Shall we take 4000? No, wrong. Why? Because see, if it is I power 1 plus I power 2 plus I power 3, like that up to 4000 means you can take n as 4000. But here n you cannot take 4000. Why? Because the number of terms are 4000 minus 1. Why? Because I is missing. Write down. N is equal to 3999. Not 4000, 3999. Okay. And one more data we will write. R power n we will write. R we know I. R we know I. I square, A is equal to I square we know. But what about R power n? Why? Because r power n also you want. R power n is equal to I power 3999. Okay? R power n means I power 3999. Why? R is equal to I. Okay. See, this you can split like this. Why? Because if you divide this with 4, why? Because I to the power of 4 is 1, we know very well. I to the power of 3996 into I cube. Shall I write like this? Why? Because see, this is divisible by 4, then this value is 1. That is equal to I cube. Why? Because 1 into I cube is I cube. I cube value also we know. Why? Because I square is minus 1. I square into I. That means minus I. I cube is equal to minus I. Why? Because minus 1 into I minus I. I cube value also we have written. Okay, now let us proceed. Now we substitute Sn. Why? Because we have to find the Sn. Sn, sum of the terms is equal to A is I square, okay, into 1 minus r to the power of n. R to the power of n value has come minus I. That means see, minus of minus I. Shall I write plus I directly? 1 minus I. 1 plus I divided by 1 minus r. 1 minus r is what? I. 1 minus I. Okay. But I square value we know minus. That means what will happen here? Minus 1 minus I divided by 1 minus I. Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to rationalize this. Okay. Let us rationalize. That means 1 plus I you divide. Conjugate of this denominator. You see what I am writing? That is equal to minus 1 minus I by 1 minus I into 1 plus I divided by 1 plus I. Rationalization we are doing. Okay. If we rationalize, you see what will happen. Numerator is, you see, minus 1 into 1 minus 1, minus 1 into I minus I, minus I into I minus I, minus I into plus I minus I square. This is the case of numerator, but denominator is simply 1 square plus 1 square. Why? Because 1 square minus I square. Minus I square means I square is minus 1. Already 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 1 I am writing. Okay. Okay. You see here, I square value is minus 1. Minus of minus 1 is plus 1. That means minus 1 plus 1. I am writing like this. You see. Minus 1 minus 2I plus 1. I square value is minus 1. Minus of I square is plus 1. That's all. Minus 1 plus 1 is going to get cancelled. Here 2 will be there. That means see minus 2I by 2. That is equal to minus I. Why? Because 2 going to get cancelled. Minus I will come. Minus I means what is the answer? The answer will be 4. Okay. Let us take this question. We will go for second question. Okay. Okay. Let us see second question. This is also like addition series only. But we have to see whether it is a arithmetic series or geometric series. Why? Because see sigma they have given. See. Carefully, if you observe, n value is from 0 to infinity. Normally from 1 to something they will write, but here from 0 only they have started up to infinity. Infinity is a very big number. That we know the concept of infinity also. Let us proceed further to solve this. See how I am solving. Okay, see, first of all, say from 0 to this thing means, see, first I am writing, you see, that is equal to sum of the terms. Sn you can write. Sn. See 2I by 3 whole to the power of, in place of n first you keep 0 plus again 2I by 3 in place of n you keep 1 plus 2I by 3 in place of n you keep 2 plus like that it will go up to 2I by 3 in place of n you keep infinity. Why? Because up to infinity they have given. Okay. Let us see first this series, whether it is a arithmetic series or geometric series. We have to analyze. Then we will proceed further. Okay. See, second term divided by first term. If I make same comes after making third term by first term also, then this is a GP. See, arithmetic progression you cannot find that much easily. Let me see. Okay. See here what will happen. This is 1. First of all, let me write 1. Why? Because something power 0 is 1. 1 plus 2I by 3. If you write 1 means the same thing. Plus, now you see I am writing like this. 2 square I square by 3 square. Plus 2 power infinity I power infinity by 3 power infinity. Okay? Now you tell me by seeing this itself, why? Because square is there. If you divide automatically, 1, 2 is going to get cancelled, 2 will come, 1 I is going to get cancelled, 2 I will come, 1, 3 is going to get cancelled, 3 will come. That means, see, whatever the multiply if you do, same thing is going to happen. That means this is a geometric series. Okay? This is a geometric series. Geometric series means formula you have to write like this. Sn is equal to A into, and here 2I by 3 will come. 2 by 3, I value is what? Square root of minus 1. Let me write first formula. 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r A into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. Okay? Like that we will write. Okay. Now wait. You write all parameters A. A is equal to 1, first term. Then r. r is equal to 2I by 3 divided by 1, 2I by 3. 2 into I by 3. Okay. And now, okay. What about r power n? That also you write. R power n also have to write. R power n. R power n. See, r power n 2 power infinity I power infinity. Why I is infinity here? Divided by 3 power infinity. If you observe carefully, forget about the numerator temporarily. Denominator 3 power infinity is very bigger number, large number. If you are dividing with any other number with a bigger number, naturally this number is going to become approximately equal to 0. Approximately equal to 0. See, this symbol is approximately equal to 0. Not exactly 0, but approximately equal to 0. Okay, now you take this formula. A into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r. Why? Because if you take automatically 1 minus 0 you can make, and 1 minus 0 is 1. A by 1 minus r will come. You see what I am writing? Sn is equal to A into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r is equal to, A is almost 1. 1 into 1 minus r power n minus 0 approximately equal to 0. R power infinity 1 minus r is how much? 2I by 9, 2I by 3, not 9, 2I by 3. Okay, so 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1, that means numerator is 1, but you make some calculation about denominator. See, 3 minus 6I, 3 minus 6I, 3 minus 6I divided by 3, 3 was numerator. Okay, numerator. Let me write 3 minus 2I by 3. 3 minus 2I by 3, not 6I. 3 minus 2I by 3. Okay. Okay. Now send this 3 to numerator. Why? Because see, denominator don't keep this fraction. You denominator is numerator. 3 divided by 3 minus 2I. Okay. Actually, your answer is over here, but logic is not always, don't give any square root or I. Why? Because I is root of minus 1 only. We know very well. That is why rather than keeping it in denominator, we will keep it in numerator. Let us do rationalization of this one. How we are going to do rationalization? Conjugate of denominator, you have to multiply numerator and denominator. That is equal to, you see, 3 by 3 minus 2I into 3 plus 2I divided by 3 plus 2I. Is it okay? Yes, sir. See, you do that rationalization and you find answer one of these. Okay, see, I am removing the question. Answers I have not removed. Why? Because answers we want. Let me try it. I think we are going to get this answer in this space itself. Okay, see, 3 into 3, 9 plus 6I. 9 plus 6I. Okay, 3 into 3, 9. 3 into 2, 6I. Okay, you see here, denominator what will come? A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. But you see here, I is there. Minus will not come. Automatically, I square is going to make it as positive. 3 square plus 2 square. That is equal to 9 plus 6I divided by 9 plus 4, 13. See here, I have done some mistake. You see here, this is not 3, this is 13. Okay, answer is 9 plus 6I by 13. This is the answer, 1 by 13. Okay, take this, we'll go for 13th question. Third question. Okay. See the third question. This question is asked in Eamcet 2008. Modulus you have to find. See what they have given. If M1, M2, M3 and M4 respectively denote the moduli. Moduli means modulus of each one. Combined moduli they are asking. Moduli of complex numbers. See, first number is 1 plus 4i. 1 plus 4i means m1 modulus. 3 plus I, m2 modulus. 1 minus I, m3 modulus. 2 minus 3i, m4 modulus. Okay, like that respectively. Then the correct one among the following. You see here, normally we are going to find the modulus, we know. Modulus value will come. That modulus value we have to compare. Ascending order or descending order. Here all are ascending order only they have kept. You see, left to right increasing. Less m3 is less than m2, m2 is less than m4, m4 is less than m1, like that they have written. Okay. Nothing they have written in descending order, all ascending order. Ascending order means you see least value we have to write first, highest value we have to write last. Like that we have to do. Let us find first modulus. Modulus formula we know very well. What is the formula of modulus? This one. You see, modulus of any number z is equal to, okay, a square plus b square under root. Okay, if z is a plus ib. Okay, irrespective of this symbol and all, you square it and add and make a square root. Okay, now one by one we will do. One by one. What is m1? M1 is equal to 1 square plus 4 square under root. That is equal to 16 plus 1, 17, but root. Root 17 is m1. Okay. Let us do m2 also. Second one. 3 square plus 1 square. I means 1 I. 1 square. Root. 9 plus 1, 10. Root 10. Okay. Let us go for m3. Square root of 1 square plus 1 square. That's all. 1 square plus 1 square and the root is equal to 2. Root 2. Root 2. All will come under root only. Don't forget. Go for m4. 2 square plus 3 square under root. 4 plus 9, 13. Root 13. Okay, now you tell me, see, all are in ascending order means least value how to see. Which is least? See, all are under root means root 2 is least. 2 is least. That means root 2 is least. That means see here, m3 I will write first m3 is less than. Which is highest? Second one, third one I have written. Second, third, fourth I will write here. Which is highest? Highest is root 17. Why? Because 13 is less than 17. That means 17. Root 17. See, root 17 means what you have to write? Root 17 means you have to write m1. m1 will be highest value. Okay. In between remaining two values will come. Okay. What about root 10 m2? You can write here m2, but root 30 yes will come here. Okay, write down. Then m4 will be second highest and m2 will be second least or third highest. Okay, m3, m2, m4, m1. This is the order. Okay, by seeing this, which is the answer here? m3, m2, m4, m1. That means you put 3 as answer. Okay, let us go for fourth question. Okay, see question number 4. If theta is real, then the modulus of 1 by 1 plus cos theta plus I sin theta is. Okay, this is also how to find the modulus. But you see, unless you write in proper way this complex number, you are unable to find the modulus. Why? Because see, complex number is in denominator. Complex number should be brought to numerator. Okay, see how I am bringing the complex number into numerator from denominator. You see, z is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus cos theta is the real part plus I sin theta is imaginary part. Okay. See, rationalization directly you don't do. First you do one thing. 1 plus cos theta you can write to 2 cos square theta by 2. Sin theta 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Like that you first split it. 1 plus cos theta 2 cos square theta by 2. Okay, 1 minus cos theta, 2 sin square theta by 2. Here theta means theta by 2. 2 theta means theta. Like that will come. This we know very well. Plus I sin theta, sin 2a, 2 sin a cos a, sin a, 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2. 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Okay? Okay. Now you take common of cos. Why? Because cos both are having. 2 cos are rather 2 cos. You take 2 cos. 2 cos theta by 2 I have taken common. Okay, 2 cos theta by 2. What will be there? Cos theta by 2 plus I sin theta by 2. Why? Because 2 cos theta by 2 outside gone. Sin theta by 2. Okay. Now see, I want to split to 2 cos theta by 2. 1 by 2 cos theta by 2 separately. You see, 1 by 2 cos theta by 2 I have separated. Remaining, see, cos theta by 2 plus I sin theta by 2. How can you, what we can say, denominator you can change? It will make conjugate. That means into cos theta by 2 minus I sin theta by 2 it is going to happen. Okay, conjugate of CIS theta is equal to minus. That means minus you have to write. This is CIS. But C minus IS means minus CIS. This is minus CIS like we have to think. Why? Because see, conjugate will come if you make reciprocal. Why? Because I have already made like, if you have any confusion, how you are going to make this rationalization? Cos theta by 2 minus I sin theta by 2, numerator and denominator you have to make. Numerator is in front of your eyes only. Denominator cos square theta by 2 plus I square minus I square sin square theta by 2 will come. Minus I square means plus only. Both are going to become 1. 1 into something is 1 or divided by 1 is same. This is complex number. Now you go back for modulus. See, this is Z. Then what about comma Z bar? See, Z bar, this you don't make. Why? Because they have already given theta is real, like this is real part. Don't make this anything. Okay? 1 by 2 cos theta by 2 you make like separate, and you square and add. What will happen? Same thing will happen. Cos square theta by 2 plus sin square theta by 2. Why? Because see, under root. This is modulus. Okay? 1 under root is 1. Same thing will come. That means see, modulus of Z is equal to 1 by 2 cos theta by 2. This is entire thing is 1. But the answer is not there. You see, numerator cos theta by 2 is not correct. But this is maybe correct. Why? Because 1 by 2 is there. 1 by 2. Cos theta by 2 in denominator, if it goes to numerator, secant theta by 2. Secant theta by 2. You put answer 1. Okay? Let us go for fifth question. Okay, see, question number 5. This question is asked in Eamcet 2018. If complex number Z is equal to 1 by 1 minus cos theta plus I sin theta, like last question only, but here 1 plus cos theta was there. Now it has become 1 plus sin 1 minus cos theta. Okay, it will be a little bit different. Let us see. Why? Because see, I have taken all models to get experience, and theta is acute, then the modulus and amplitude. Here not only modulus, they are asking amplitude also. What is amplitude? Theta, that's all. Theta, principal value of amplitude, argument, whatever it may be, is minus pi to plus pi, but plus pi is closed interval, minus pi is open interval. But here acute angle already they have given. That means it is between 90 degrees only. Okay, like that. Okay. Now we will find what answer will come under. Let us see. Why? Because see, if you write in polar form, automatically both you are going to get both values. Modulus also you are going to get, and amplitude also you are going to get. Let us proceed further. See how I am proceeding this. First of all, let us write Z. Z is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus cos theta plus I sin theta, that is equal to, see like last question, here in the last question 1 plus cos theta was there, 2 cos square theta by 2, but here 1 minus cos theta, 2 sin square theta by 2, write down, 2 sin square theta by 2 plus I sin theta as usual, 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2, 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2, okay. See in the last question we have taken 2 cos theta by 2 as common, but here 2 sin theta by 2 have to take, 2 sin theta by 2, take 2 sin theta by 2, 1 divided by 2 sin theta by 2, if I take common, into 1 by, what will happen, 2 sin theta by 2 has gone, sin theta by 2 plus I sin I cos theta by 2. Okay, cos theta by 2. You see here, actually this is not in the form of CIS. CIS means cos theta by 2 plus I sin theta by 2 should come. But here SIC has come, SIC. But that is not a standard format. You change it in standard format. How you are going to change? We know very well, sin 90 minus theta by 2 is cos theta by 2. Cos 90 minus theta by 2 is sin theta by 2. That means, see, sin 90 minus theta by 2 I am making it. Then automatically it is going to become cos theta by 2 like. Okay, see how I am writing. That is equal to, see, 1 by 2 sin theta by 2 shall I write cosecant 1 by 2 cosecant theta by 2? 1 by 2 cosecant theta by 2. Sin theta, if it goes numerator, so to secant theta by 2. Okay, this I will keep like this only, and let us proceed further. Into 1 divided by sin theta by 2, if you want to get, means cos 90 minus theta by 2. You see, cos pi by 2 minus theta by 2. Okay, plus I sin pi by 2 minus theta by 2. Close. Stop and analyze whether this is correct or not. Why? Because see, cos sine has come, CIS form has come. This is the theta, this is theta, amplitude we can write, but wait and see first. Cos 90 minus theta by 2. Okay. Plus is there, okay, plus, okay. Cos 90 minus theta by 2. Is it correct? Correct only. Why? Because see, cos 90 minus theta by 2 means sin theta by 2. Sin theta by 2 is there, okay. Sin 90 minus theta by 2. Cos theta by 2. Cos theta by 2 has come, okay, that is okay. But you see now, here, this is in denominator, but it should go to numerator. It should go to numerator. Then only we are able to perform further. Okay. See, what is the rationalization? Simply, that's all. Why? Because see, conjugate of this will come. Simply, that's all. Why? Because you need not do any rationalization. CIS form is there. Okay. Conjugate of this you write in numerator. That's all. Okay. See what I am writing. First of all, see, still we are doing this in Z only. Z only we are doing. Z only. Modulus we have not yet found. Wait. Okay. Modulus we have not yet found. Let us find only first Z. Z only we are finding. Don't forget. We are in finding of Z. 1 by 2 cosecant theta by 2. But rather than denominator, numerator it goes, but this the conjugate of this will come. You see what I am writing? Into cos pi by 2 minus theta by 2. See, when your parenthesis is there, you make it as bracket then. Okay? Minus I sin pi by 2 minus theta by 2. Okay? Now it has gone to numerator. Now you can make conjugate. Why? Because until your complex number is in numerator, you cannot make conjugate. We have brought conjugate. See, cosecant theta by 2, you need not do anything. Let it be like this only. This you square and add. If you square and add, automatically what will happen here? It is going to become 1. Okay? It is going to become 1. Then when it is going to become 1, automatically what will the modulus? Modulus is this one only. Then first you write modulus. Wait. Or else. We know one formula. What is that formula? If z is equal to, modulus of z is equal to r plus r into cos theta plus I sin theta form is there, then this theta is amplitude. Why? Because more amplitude they are asking. Theta is amplitude and r is modulus. R is modulus. Okay, R is modulus. What is R here? 1 by 2 cosecant theta by 2 is modulus. Okay, I am writing modulus. Wait, before writing modulus, I want to alert you. Why? Because see, cos theta plus I sin theta CIS form it should be, but it is not in CIS form. Minus is there. That is the problem. Then how to change this minus? See how I am changing this minus to normal form. You see, I am sending this minus inside. I am keeping plus here but sending minus inside. See what will happen. Z is equal to 1 by 2 cosecant theta by 2. You keep like this only. This I am not touching. You see here plus I sin minus, if I send automatically what will happen? Minus pi by 2 plus theta by 2 it will happen. Minus I have sent inside. Minus if I send inside here, plus will be there. Minus pi by 2 plus theta by 2. Why? Because we know very well sin minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Sin minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Okay, that is okay. But what about this? Cos minus theta is cos theta. That is why same thing you can write here without any hesitation. Minus pi by 2 plus theta by 2. Now is it in CIS form? Definitely it is in CIS form. But theta is okay. Theta is also okay. Both are same. Now you can write the answer. What is the answer? Amplitude is equal to 1 by 2 into cosecant theta by 2. This is amplitude. Then what about, not amplitude. This is modulus. Sorry, forgotten. Modulus. Modulus is equal to 1 by 2 cosecant theta by 2. Amplitude, now you write. Amplitude, argument, whatever it may be. Amplitude is equal to minus pi by 2 plus theta by 2. Minus pi by 2 plus theta by 2. Okay. This is answer for your question. Okay. Now we stop this class. We will continue complex numbers only. At least 40 questions we will do. 5 questions we have done. Still 7 more questions may take. Okay. Thank you very much.